Just while we were talking about apples earlier, these are the cuttings from the rootstocks that I grafted this February. So we're now at the end of September, and although we have had a horrendous drought this summer, I have been watering these and keeping an eye on them, and because the cutting wood was quite thick, so at least pencil thickness, these have survived and all rooted. Now, I did have originally about 10 in here, so 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 successfully rooted brand new MM106 rootstocks. There's a failure, so if you want to look like what a failure looks like, there is absolutely no green on it and absolutely no roots, so that's for the fire pile. And I've just inserted these 3 in here now, so I've just taken off some growth from the grafted Ellis bitters, and I've put them in, and we'll see if they root. I should know by April or May next year. If we have new leaves appearing, then they'll have rooted and I can pot them up and move them, and we will see what happens. But these little beauties will all make brand new apples, and I will be using them to show everyone how to do grafting in February. So it's October now, and we will be grafting these with nice apple varieties in February.